Hello everybody, in this video I will teach you that how you can make this beautiful timeline animation in PowerPoint. So let's start it. First up, I'll take the circle. Just take the circle and then go to adjust its size according to your cell. I will adjust it to 1.6 centimeter. I will adjust 1.6 centimeter height and 1.6 centimeter width. Then I will remove the outline shape and change its color into dark gray. After this, I will take another circle. This time this circle size will be small than the previous one. So I will just take it 0.9 centimeter height as well as it width. I will remove the outline shape and this time I will change the color into blue. This time I will go to the preset and the preset I will select preset 3. Now take the second circle to the first one and just go to the format shape. In the format shape go to the align and make it center align as well as middle align. Now take 2, 3 or 4 copies from it. It will depend on your presentation, but this time I will just take 4 copy for my timeline animation. Now I will group each circle by just selecting the 2 circle and pressing Ctrl G. I will select the 4 circle and then go to the align and distribute horizontally. Now I will again ungroup all circles by just right click and ungroup. Then I will go to the color shape and change the color of each circle. After that I will take a rectangle so that I can make a line for this. So I will just draw a small rectangle whose width is very small and length is little bit long. So I will just go and change its color into dark gray and will remove the outline. I will just select right click and send it to bake. Take a copy from it by just pressing the Ctrl button and drag it. I will just take multiple copies from it. Then I will select all the circle except these rectangles or this line and then right click on it and bring up to front. So almost 50% of work is completed. Now I will just take the text and I will write some random text like topic 1. I will just take multiple copies from it for the other circle as well. And after that I will do a little bit adjustment with the text. Now I will take this free transform tool and draw a line up to here. Then I will go to the shape outline. In the shape outline I will increase it with. Then I will just go and select this format of the line. Then I will send it to bake and change its color into yellow. I will increase it with little bit more. So I will just go to the width and increase to 3 points. Now I will select all these and go to the align and make it center align so that these become perfectly aligned. Now I will take another rounded rectangle, and the rounded rectangle I just change the color into black and I will write some text here, for example option 1. Then I will take the text box. In the text box I will write some random text. So I will write equal to parenthesis open and parenthesis close and then press enter. The text is too much long, so I will delete the extra text. So I will just select this and make a copy to this topic and send it to bake. Now I will repeat the same process for each of the point and also take the copy of line as well as the text from for each point, and then we'll adjust the text little bit to it. So the animation, just select this line and go to the animation, select wipe animation, go to the effect option and select from left. Now take this black circle and go to the zoom animation, select the zoom animation. Now take the blue circle, go to the zoom animation as well for this. Now take select this topic one, go to the paired animation. While for the option, I will just select the paired animation also. As well for the text, I will select the wipe animation, and this time it will be from left side. So I will just go to the setting and select after start, that each animation should start after previous. But so as I forget this blue line, I will select this blue line also and apply the wipe animation to this, and then we'll adjust its timing also. Now you can see that how it's animated. Now we will repeat the same process for the other circle and line also, so that it will animate the same like this. So I will just select the circle, zoom, this one also zoom, the second topic, the topic 2 will select to is a paired animation, this one will go to is a wipe animation, and the option 2 will go as a paired, and the text will also go as a wipe animation. Now just select all these animations, right click on it, go to the effect option and select start after previous. Now you can see that these 2 points are animated. Now I will repeat the same process for the other topic 3 and topic 4 also. So I will little bit speed it up so that it will save your time from watching the whole process again. If you have any question, you can freely ask in the comment section. Now all the animation is completed. Let's play it from start. Now you can see that how beautiful these animations look like. So you can convert your boring presentation into this beautiful and amazing animated PowerPoint design and animation. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any question, you can freely ask me in comment section. If you want to get this template free of cost, so just subscribe the channel, take the screenshot and send it on the given email. So I will give you this template completely free of cost. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe the channel for more videos.